Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to find and install a new WordPress theme for your website. So now you have your own website and you have a default theme from WordPress, which is 2022. So how do we add a new theme? There are different websites. For free themes you can just go to the official WordPress website, which has a lot of themes. Also, you can buy a theme from Envato or Theme Forest. These are usually a bit more high quality, and you can customize them to your own needs, but they will cost money. So if you don't have money, the free ones would be better. And also there are page builders, for example Beaver Builder or Elementor, where you can just drag and drop your own theme. Let's say you can create your own theme and your own little widgets and galleries and whatever you want. But for this video I will just be downloading the Astra theme. So just download it. Okay, so now I have the WordPress theme, the Astra theme, and now you go to Appearances, Themes, and Add a New. And then Upload a Theme, and here you can just drag and drop the zip that you downloaded. You don't have to extract it or anything, it's unpacking it itself. Theme is installed, now you can activate it. Go to your website, refresh the page, and you have a new theme. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.